So in May 2021, I actually attended a seminar which was hosted by a friend of mine from AfriBlocks, and it was indeed a freelancing seminar whereby the event was talking about the culture of having partnership in freelancing, online freelancing, and among other topics. They were amazing speakers at the event. So as I was actually, there was break time, we had food and other things. So one of my friends actually came and asked me about a question that I really think I should address. And if you want to check, I need to see if you can actually identify me in the picture. This is a picture of me, and I was actually in the audience as an attendee of the event. So the question the person asked me about, I see you talking about a website called Deriv, and how does it really work? And this question really actually got me to think, okay, I should do a video that explains what Deriv is and how actually you can benefit from it. To be precise, the question that he asked me, he said, I see you posting about Deriv a lot on the internet, and what does it really do? What are the benefits? How do you benefit from it? So this is what I'm actually gonna address, and this is the website from Deriv. And please, if you're new to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of these amazing videos. And my name is Kuda. So let's jump into it. So in this video, I'm going to explain what is Deriv, how it works, how you can benefit from it, how I'm actually making money from it. Okay, and so what I'm just going to share with you is just my personal experience, and basically you may not get the same results as I will explain, or it may be a different case, but I just need to do justice and explain how this website works and how it benefits others and how it benefits me in terms of money. Okay, this is why I always speak about it, and that's what I'm actually going to cover in this video. So let me head over to my slides and explain how it works. So in short, if you're going to ask me what is Deriv, I'm going to tell you it's a regulated online forex broker. Now, I'm going to try and explain this in simple terms, and this video is only for people that are just getting started or that don't understand what an online forex broker is. Let me just explain in simple terms that will make you really understand how this works, and then I'm going to tell you about the money part and things like that. So let's say you are in Zimbabwe. Okay, you are in Zim, and you need to travel to another country. Probably it could be you need to travel to China. Okay, now there's this thing that is called forex trading. Okay, now if you need to travel to China, basically what you have is probably US dollars. You're going to look for US dollars, or you're going to convert the Zimbabwean currency to the Chinese currency. And in order to do this, you actually have to use a system or a finance institute. It can be a bank, it can be anything, to convert your Zim dollar to Chinese. Or if you need to travel to UK, you have to convert your Zim dollar to British pound. If you need to travel to that's UK. If you need to travel to Australia, you need to convert your money from Zim dollar to Australian dollars. So when you do that, the moment you just go to a bureau de change, the moment you go to a bank, the moment you go to an airport to exchange your money, you have actually participated in what is known as forex trading. You have actually participated, okay, in forex trading. So in some sense, almost everyone is actually participated in forex trading if you just have traveled from another country, and if you have used any institute to send money to that country, you've actually participated in forex trading. Now, when it comes to online forex trading, what now we are saying is that you don't need to travel. Okay, you can be in Zimbabwe, okay, and then you have your US dollar or Zimbabwean currency, okay, your Zimbabwean currency, and you need to put this money on the market, okay, to say, okay, I'm anticipating that the Japanese money is called Japanese yen. The Japanese yen is going to go high in price. It's going to go up in price. Okay, let me just say JPY. Okay, Japanese yen. It's going to go high in price. So what I need to do, I need to convert my US dollars into Japanese money. Okay, and how do I do that? Okay, and let me give you another example whereby probably maybe you have a British pound. Okay, it's called GBP, right? British pounds. Okay, and you anticipate that the Australian dollar is gonna go the British pound is going to go down anytime soon. Okay, so what you then do now is say, I need to dispose my British pound and also secure USD. That's because this is what I need to keep. I need to keep my money in US dollar. Okay, and then you convert your money into US dollar when the price goes up, price goes down. So you'll be doing a lot of exchange in between currencies and things like that. So remember the example that I've given you whereby you're actually traveling, you go into a bank, you exchange your money and things like that. So the exchange when it comes to online forex trading is done through what is known as a broker. Okay, in between you there should be a broker, okay, who can facilitate that exchange. Okay, and that exchange is done in an instant. It's done in an instant when you actually press a button to say buy or sell, buy or sell. You have actually two options in forex trading. It's either a buy or sell. Now I hope you're actually following. Let me just remove these these drawings and then just come back again. So let's say you have got your US dollar, okay, and then you need to convert your US dollar to Japanese money. Okay, that's JPY. Okay, just JPY. That's Japanese money. Now we said in between you there has to be a broker. Okay, there has to be a broker, and now the broker in between you is called Deriv. Okay, so now Deriv facilitates your transaction in converting money. Remember I said this happens in an instant. And where will this money be sitting if you have US dollars? Okay, what you have to do now is you have to move your US dollar into your Deriv account. Okay, I would say Deriv, which is in this case the broker. There's quite a lot of companies that offer the same service that is a competition of Deriv, but in this case we're going to be talking about Deriv, but all brokers actually work the same. Now you put your money into Deriv and then you say I want to buy Japanese yen, and then your money is going to be converted to Japanese yen, and if you need to sell Japanese yen to convert it to dollar, you can actually do the same within the platform. Now there are people that are called forex traders. Okay, there are people that are called forex traders. Now these forex traders, these are the people that have decided to take this as a career to convert currencies, like to convert currencies from one to another, and this can be done from home, from your cell phone, from your laptop, from anywhere in the world as long as you have internet connection. Now these forex traders, they cannot participate in exchanging of currencies without the broker. Okay, so the broker plays a very big role. Forgive me for my pronunciation there. English is not my first language. So Deriv is acts as a broker. Now who can do this? Anyone who is above 18 years old can actually do this. Individuals, companies, banking institutes, anyone can actually participate in the forex market. You can actually start with $5 and things like that. But this business model also carries a bit of a high risk in terms of you can lose your money and not make profit at all. So if I'm speaking about Deriv, I'm educating these people that are called forex brokers, especially people that are getting started, people that have been in the industry, on how to deposit their monies, withdraw their monies. I'll be actually assisting these guys to make sure that they actually have a best experience in trading. So to answer the question of why is it I speak about it a lot, this is why I speak about it a lot. And then what is Deriv? I guess I've actually explained in its simplest form what Deriv is. So Deriv facilitates the process of you exchanging money from home without traveling and making profits and making your withdraw. That's what Deriv is. Now let's look at what my benefit is. What do I get out of this? What do I get out of educating people? What do I get out of posting videos on YouTube like this? Let us jump into it right now. Number one, there is what is known as the affiliate program. Now Deriv is an affiliate program whereby if you refer a customer to Deriv is going to pay you some money, okay? And this money does not only come once, it comes each time someone participates on Deriv, okay? Let's say I refer someone who pays money today to Deriv, I get a commission out of that. I get a small percentage out of that, and then if that person again comes after a month and deposit more money, I get a commission after that, a commission after commission after commission after commission after commission. So that's one benefit that I actually get there. I make money, which is called affiliate money. And then the other thing is Deriv agent. I am a Deriv agent. What by Deriv agent mean? It simply means that, remember I gave you the examples of the forex brokers on them wanting to deposit their money and withdraw their monies. I actually facilitate in assisting them on making the deposits, okay, the deposits, and then making the withdrawals. And when I do that, I get a cut, okay? I get a cut of the money. And then of course there's also trading, forex trading. You can actually trade forex, cryptos, commodities, and so on. But in my case, I don't trade anymore. I used to, but I stopped trading a long time ago. But right now I'm doing this, and I'm actually doing this as well. I'm always active in these two things. But most of the majority of people, they actually participate in forex trading and trading commodities and things like that. And then the other benefit from this is that there is a community of online forex traders. I always keep my ear on the ground to know what's happening, and you know, there's also mutual benefits if you actually belong to a community of forex trading. You know what's happening, what's trending, and things like that. So I also get to interact in terms of social engagement with this community. So in that regard, I guess I've actually explained in its simplest form what Deriv is and how it works and who should use Deriv. And so you can use Deriv, number one, if you want to do forex trading. You can use Deriv if you want to become an agent, make money from it. If you need use Deriv just by recommending it to people, referring people to Deriv, you can actually do that and make some money. And then, did I miss anything? I know I try to explain things in their simplest format, but I may have missed one of your burning questions, and I'll be happy to give you the best answers. Just leave a comment below this video. And if you want to learn more about what I do about making money online, I recommend you actually check out one of my coaching programs whereby I take you by the hand. Let me just show you in a second. If you're anything like me, I guess I've explained some of the techniques in terms of, like when I said affiliate marketing, becoming an agent. So those things, they seem easy if they actually said. But believe you me, if you want to make money online, just like any other people and like what I do, I recommend that you check out one of our training courses. And in this course, basically, I take you through the process of making money online. I guide you over the shoulder, and my next class is actually starting on the 1st of April 2020. If you actually get to this page, you can actually read through what we're actually offering and some of the benefits that you actually get. And for only a one-time payment of 107, and we have actually discounted this price from 197, you can actually get all these benefits, and myself and our team will be able to guide you through in terms of the process and the benefits of making money online. And our goal basically is to help you to establish that online business that you can make money from and working from home. And with that being said, I guess I have answered most of the questions about Deriv and how it works. And if I miss out anything, just leave a comment below this video. And if you want to share your thoughts, and if you need me to do any other video, just let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.